The Mixcast 4 is not only a standalone recording device, but it's also a USB audio interface. It's meant to work in unison with the TASCAM Podcast Editor software, and it's also compatible with other digital audio workstations. Recording directly to Podcast Editor allows us to move quickly and fluidly to editing our recordings. And the Mixcast 4 requires no driver downloads for use with Podcast Editor. In order to get started, we'll connect the Mixcast 4 to our computer via USB and then open Podcast Editor. Next, we'll click New Project at the bottom of the window and name our session. Podcast Editor should recognize the Mixcast 4 right away, but let's double check to be sure. Click the menu icon at the top left of the window, then the audio interface button in the settings section. We'll want to make sure both the output and input are set to the Mixcast 4. Make sure our outputs are checked off as well as all the inputs we want to use. Each track is listed and linked to the corresponding channel on the Mixcast. In order to record, we'll need to record arm all the tracks we'll be using by clicking the record button on the channel. Finally, we'll hit the record button at the top of the window. As we can see, all the armed tracks are now recording. Clicking the stop button will end recording. If we're going to use the USB channel for anything other than calls, we'll need to turn off the Mix Minus feature. On the Mixcast 4, enter the menu, then Hardware Settings, then Audio. Here we can turn USB Mix Minus on or off. As we can see, recording with the Mixcast 4 directly to our computer with Podcast Editor is easy, with no drivers to download, no track settings to change. We can download Podcast Editor, unbox our Mixcast and plug it into our computers and start recording within a matter of minutes. If using the Mixcast 4 with another DAW on Windows, we'll need to navigate to the Mixcast 4 product page and download the ASIO driver there. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified when we post new videos. And check out the links on your screen for more tips and tutorials on how to produce your podcast with the Mixcast 4.